everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little follow-up with you. Some of you, if you watch all my videos, know my last Walmart beauty box was pretty bad. I only got 4 items in it, and I got a large full-size hair product that's for ethnic hair. It won't work in my hair. So it's absolutely a product I can't do anything with, and all in all, it was a pretty bad box. Walmart advertises that their Walmart beauty boxes have between 5 and 7 items and full and deluxe sample sizes. And that's fine. I only got 4 items in mine though, and then that full-size product I couldn't use. So I did cancel my Walmart beauty box, but I also decided to contact them. So through their website, I contacted their customer service. I sent them a message. I told them what I got, and I also included a link to my video. And I actually think maybe they watched my video. I did get a response back from a lady. She was really nice. She did tell me that a computer automatically picks what goes in the boxes. So there's not a person that controls that the computer does it. I did not contact them wanting a replacement. I contacted them to let them know, you know, maybe you shouldn't have a product that not everybody can use. Everybody can use so many different items out there, but if it's a specific hair product for a specific type of hair that not everybody can use, then it's a wasted product. And it's just my opinion. So anyway, she said that they were putting in a replacement order for me. I did not know what that meant, but I thanked them. Well, my replacement order finally arrived. So I wanted to show you what Walmart sent me as a replacement. I want to thank them. This is for me to personally thank them for what I got. Let me show you. I actually got 3 items. I was a bit surprised. So first I got this, it's a sample, Neutrogena Hydrating Cleansing Gel. I will definitely use that. I appreciate it. This is what I'm talking about. Everybody can use this, you know, so yes, thank you very much. I also got this Invisibobble brand. They're bobby pins. I've never seen the bobby pins before. There are 3 in here. I haven't opened. Here we go. See if you can see. I'm gonna hide my face. Hopefully that's coming in to view for you. Those are kind of interesting. Very pretty colors. So yeah, got those. And they sent me a full-size NYX mascara, On the Rise Volume Mascara. So this is the full-size product to replace the other full-size product I didn't get, and then to these, well, this is full size, but you only get 3. But that was very nice of them. So I just wanted to do a public video, a real short one, just to thank Walmart. I will say their customer service is amazing. I really do appreciate that. I've been dealing with some other companies lately that customer service is pretty much non-existent. So I respect and I appreciate Walmart's customer service. I definitely wanted to get this out there. If you enjoy getting your Walmart beauty boxes, that is great. It's just, it doesn't seem like it's a good fit for me. And that's okay. We all don't like the same things. And so I decided I'm not going to renew Walmart beauty box. I'm just going to let it go, but I do appreciate them and thank them very much. And thank you all for watching and listening. If you haven't seen the video where I opened my box, I'll include it here at the end of the video. So guys, thank you all for watching again. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for spending some time with me. I'll see y'all next time.